Concerns are being raised this evening about action taken by administrators of the Program of Advancement through Health and Education PATH against students who have missed school days.
Now, it's reported that many students are not getting the full benefits from PATH because of school attendance issues.
The matter was raised at this morning's sitting of Parliament's Public Accounts Committee, PAC.
TVJ's Vashon Brown was in Gordon House.
The Program of Advancement through Health and Education PATH. It is the government program aimed at delivering benefits by way of cash grants to the poorest and most vulnerable persons in the society. But PAC member and Central Manchester MP Peter Bunting is raising concerns.
Many times I've had parents who come to me complaining that because students missed a certain amount of days from school, they discontinue their PATH benefit. Now, usually the reason they missed days from school was that the parent couldn't afford to send them to school. So because they couldn't afford to send the child to school, you're now punishing the child.
Permanent Secretary in the Social Security Ministry, Colette Roberts-Risden, says no one is taken off the program for not attending school for the required days. Students on the program should not be absent from school for more than 3 days in a given month.
If the child attends school the required number of time, then the family gets the full benefit. If they don't, then a portion of the benefit is withheld. And that is how the program has been designed from inception, because it is felt that we need to motivate families to ensure that the children attend school.
Under the program, students receive between $1,350 and $2,100 monthly to attend school. Close to 70% of the money would be withheld from students who do not attend schools for a certain number of days.
Sometimes I'm telling you, because as I say, I'm on the ground with mine, you know. And the money comes, and instead of sending it to that, they have a court's installment to pay, they have a this, they use it for that. And then they come back. And I am concerned.
But Mr. Bunting maintains that the answer cannot be to withhold money from families who in some instances cannot find funds for transportation.
It would seem to me it would be better to have a caseworker if you don't meet the threshold of attendance, to have a caseworker visit the home, see why, and then have that caseworker recommend, you know, whether it is, you know, the irresponsible parent taking the money and using for something else, or just that even with the 2,100, they can't manage.
The Social Security Ministry says it already has a case management process. There are only 147 social workers employed to the ministry.
The PATH program, we have just about 150,000 families, individual families. So if we were to do a ratio, it's one social worker to 1,000 families.
Mrs. Roberts-Risden says the ministry is working with some of the families to find out whether they need additional intervention or support. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.